Hey guys, GOD, get off of drugs, GOD. So these pendejos, these su madres, they think I'm doing drugs, right? I did one line of coke today after like 20 years, right? Because I'm reading this book. Zero, zero, zero. Talcum powder, high quality, right? So guys, check this one out. Now I'll talk and your reactions are gonna sell this thing. Zero, zero, zero pendejos. It's una libria. Libria? Paisano, Roberto Paisano, Robert Paisano. Guys, it's a book, all right? Zero 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 about cocaine. It's about this fucking pendejo in like Miguel Cervantes or whatever the fuck this guy's like, not Cervantes. Cara Kinko, the goddamn guy in Narcos, right? Cara Quintero, pendejo. This guy's in Guadalajara. Mi esposa es colombiana, but guys, let's get that straight. Colombia is a tunnel from this fucking place, like where they chew the leaves. Pendejo campesinos, like the farmers, they're chewing in both in Bolivia and Guatemala, right? They're chewing these leaves, and that's why coke is just what that is. If you want to get high, like I figured this out because I was in jail. But he's like, yo, I do crack. Hey, my name's Brillo. I'm like, what kind of fucking name is that? I'm sorry, I will not be offensive. Yo, what kind of name is like this? Your name is what people call you on the street, right? If there's streets there, you got that name. So zero zero zero. Here's how zero 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 starts. This will curdle your fucking blood if you listen. I gotta put this on you guys. I'm the torn between attracting kids to my latest channel, at sign bipolar Muslim at on YouTube. At sign, right? That's YouTube trying to be like fucking Twitter, right? X. Not formerly known as Twitter. X yourself out of that fucking thing. You want to figure out Elon Musk and his mad motives, guys. His mad motives off brand. I don't know what these. Alright, I'll roll it up later, guys. 3.5 grams is how you want to go. Why? Because fuck yourselves. 50% from C comes up. 50% cost of the ton. Cost of the coin. So the kid sells me the fucking weed. I'm like, how? No, nugget. So you can take this goddamn thing. This is like 10, 15, 50 bucks, 20 bucks, 30 bucks, whatever. You should be aiming for, let's just put it this way. Under 20 bucks, you can get 3.5 grams. And by the way, it does say if you have mental health issues, yo, this is my appointments with doctors and shit. So don't fucking scumbag me on my thread here and say, hey man, why are you fucking around with like this? These motherfuckers who are still here, yeah. Like half the people who are watching this, they'll think that I've got a green screen. I'm testing this computer out. Half the people who watch this, guys, they'll think I'm green screening you guys. How the hell is that? And that's how this thing sells. Like, how the hell is he gonna stop? Like, I'm a security guard trained guy. The supervisor told me to fuck off, so I told him to fuck off. And I'm not gonna say anything that I don't think about really nice. And yes, the LiDAR works, the LiDAR works. And yes, the weed is good. And this is tobacco, no tobacco. Now I know why, by the way, I get a reaction. Look at them, they're all turned away. Look at all these assholes. That's just such fucking shit. You understand? It's like, what is this fucking thing? Like hive thing, group thing. You're sick. Turn your back on me, and you turn your back on me saying sell.amazon.com. Guys, dog walking is the fucking thing. 18 bucks, 15 bucks. Anyone? Per walk, per dog, per day. Per diem? Per diem is how you want to do this thing. I don't know what I was talking about. Like this book, zero, zero, zero. Yo, cocaine, like I did a line right now, and of course, it helps settle me down. I knew it exactly because the weed triggers my bipolar, as it says in the packet. Don't fucking do this fucking stuff. The guy who sold it to me, this fucking Jewish fucking guy, why are you staring at me, bro? Do you want to stare at this fucking thing instead?